Alright, we are at the Baymont by Wyndham in Galveston, and this is going to be a look at room 234, so let's check it out. This is a 2-queen bedroom, interior hallway corridor. So we enter the room. The first thing we see to the left is the bathroom. This hotel has quite high ceilings. Most hotels have very low ceilings, but these are pretty high. You have a big mirror, bright light for shaving. I don't know if the camera will focus on it, but there's some discoloration and rust in the mirror. There's the sink. Plenty of water pressure. The toilet is clean. It is a Niagara. Let's see if it flushes okay. And it does. And this hotel also has a bathtub, which I really like. Shower pressure is adequate. It's not like turbocharged, but adequate. Here is a view of the room, and there is a Zaki on the bed. You have a dresser here with some drawer space. LG flat screen TV. There's a mirror right there. RCA microwave that's totally clean. An Igloo fridge with a freezer that's been somewhat recently defrosted. Here's a coffee, a little sitting area with a coffee maker. These are the beds. And I do like the blue color on the wall, the accent wall. Seasons PTAC unit, which seems to be doing pretty good. Now, Zach, open that door.
Okay. No. Come on out. It's nighttime, but...
It's nighttime, but we still have a pretty nice view off the balcony.
You might be able to see the ocean.
And right past there, let me try the zoom lens.
We'll check in the day.
The ocean is right past there. I'll take a picture off this during the daytime. You have 2 chairs.
And we overlook the pool.
Look at these bed frames. They're kind of interesting.
Yeah, that's...
They're kind of interesting.
So the beds are very, like, you sink into them.
So are the beds comfortable?
I mean, depends on if you like a bed that you literally, like, sink into.
There's your telephone.
I mean, it's old, I'm not sure.
The good book. Hold on. No, I'm not to edit this out. Now, this is the part of the tour where a lot of hotels hide their dirty little secrets. We know the Marriott in Detroit was hiding some. Let's see if this La Quinta Hotel is hiding...
Baymont.
Oh, Baymont Hotel is hiding any dirty little secrets. Go ahead and peel the first layer back. Clean?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, pillow's comfortable.
I like it.
Let's see what's under the mattress.
Oh, it's wrapped. Okay. Oh, there's a stain. A small stain.
Nothing really bad.
Yeah, nothing crazy. No,
That comes off.
Oh, it does. Okay. This looks a little yellow, but it might just be colored that way. I'm not sure. This looks clean. Does that come off?
It's wrapped.
Okay, well this looks clean.
So this bed passes the cleanliness test. Clean under here. Pillows are good.
This one has no stains.
Looks good to me.
Yeah, good.
So this hotel passes the cleanliness test. And how much was this hotel? We did points.
Yeah. I mean, I was just looking it up for another night, and it was like $95 a night. It was pretty cheap.
$95 a night for this is pretty good. Clean, comfortable, what more could you ask for?
Yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed this hotel room tour. And that will be it. Until next time. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more. And you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.